Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings with Win+I. This gets you straight into System Controls. Once Settings is open, select Update and Security or Windows Update depending on your version, because those sections centralize patches and drivers. Make sure you are online, and if you're on a laptop, plug into power. Updates can pause on battery saver. Now that prerequisites are met, move to Check for Updates, so Windows can compare installed files against Microsoft's latest catalog. Once you click Check for Updates, Windows queries Microsoft servers to list missing security and feature updates. This is why scanning can take several minutes. If updates appear, click Download. Pick critical patches first, then optionally install feature or driver updates when convenient. You can pause or limit bandwidth to avoid interrupting other tasks, and make sure to watch for reboot-required markers so nothing surprises you. After downloads finish, prepare to install and schedule any restarts. Install now applies updates immediately, but you can also schedule a restart for low-traffic hours. This prevents lost work. After the system reboots, return to Windows Update and confirm the message that you are up to date. This verifies installation succeeded. If you see error codes or updates fail, run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter to diagnose common issues, clear update cache, and retry. That tool often resolves conflicts without deeper technical steps, so try it before advanced fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.